Hey guys, good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you're watching me for. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. In fact, I've just been waiting for this day to come because I've got so many calls and messages for the men asking me, when are you going to say the other part? When are you going to talk about the other part? When are you going to talk about the other part? When are you going to tell us about the compatible one? So I'm here today, guys. I hope you will listen and you will be ready for it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not. Please don't forget to press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also press the bell notification. Thumbs up, please, 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 please. Press that like button and like the video. Thank you, guys. I'm really excited of coming out today because I've got a lot of calls. At least a hook will be off my neck today. Hey guys, how's your week going? I hope you guys have been having an awesome week. Yes. Me too. My week has been going well. Thank God for that. So without wasting much of your time, you already know what we are coming here to do today. Today is the one for the men which says compatible. Yeah. So many people have been saying, when are you going to talk about the compatible one? When are you going to talk about it? Yes, we are finally here today. So bring out your cheap beer, like I said before, and bring out your glass cup. Let's sit and watch the video. Yeah. So today, how are we going to be knowing that this lady, this beautiful dancer, this pretty flower is the compatible one for me? Because the Lord says, I will give you a suit mate, bone of your bone and flesh of your flesh, the one that will be compatible for you, suitable, a helpmate. Hey, before you reach us, food don't ready. I don't know, it's one of the food go ready without you not bring money. So my sisters, them, let's also learn from it, please. Yes, I know so many men are this, they are that. So also are women. Some people have been calling me, this one what you talk, I not just appeal, I know you like how some men, if you don't follow the suffer finish, they don't call remember you, they don't call do this. I say, yes, auntie, but you do your part. Let it be on him. Do your own part. Say, now me do this one. Let the other one be on him. He said, pray for your enemy. By so doing, you are heaping a coal of fire upon them. Do your part. Do your submissive. Do your this. Do your that. Don't say this person did not do for me. Do your own. He said, if you see good and don't do it, we'll go into the Bible anyway. Let's wait till the Bible time. Okay? So, please. I know most women have called me, no, this one when you all talk today, so I'm not just like her. Auntie, the one that I go talk today, you will go verse you well. So this one our brother soon. Let's call a spade a spade. Let's call the truth the truth. I am not exempted of everything I'm saying. So if you are angry, what do you want me to do? Because I also include myself. Yes. Have I done one or two things on those things? Oh, yes, I have. So let me not lie to you. Yes. We are all in this together, but it doesn't matter how we fall, but how we rise. How are we going to take it up? How are we going to do the better one? That is what we are here to learn or to know today. So, please, my brothers, how you go tell no and how are you going to know that this lady is compatible for me, suitable for me, wife material, like you get nyash, you get breast, you get sense, you can find, you can sabi cook normally. Pardon my joke. So normally there be wife material be. How many years you want rate them? 100, 150, 2000, one where you want to rate them. So that's it today. So today my brothers joke and part. Now, how do you know that this lady is compatible for me? Yes, I know because of the last this is some say some will pretend. Some see, let me tell you. No matter how you will pretend, one day your true color must come out. No matter how you pretend, your true color must come out. A woman that truly loves you, a woman that is really compatible for you. You know, the last one was not compatible. And this one is compatible. A woman that is really compatible for you, no matter how many times you hurt that woman, it will surely have a heart to forgive you. It will never swear for you to die. It will never wish you evil. It will never wish you bad. It will just leave you and say, like the proverb that says, if you love a bird, leave that bird to fly away. If the bird loves you, will surely come back. Isn't it? So also a woman. If a woman truly loves you, if a woman truly loves you, if you want to know the woman that is compatible for you, Even if there is only one meat in the soup, he will say, honey, you are the head of this house. You use the meat. He will not say, ah, are you not the head? Are you not supposed to leave everything for us? You are supposed to leave everything. A woman that is compatible, if there's only one meat, he will give you that one meat. A woman that is compatible, if the last food, he will pretend as if he want to join you, but he will make sure you eat more because you are the one going out to go and look for money. A woman that is compatible will not trade wig or fancy things for the children's school fees or for the children wear keep or wear bin. A woman that knows that you have not paid the children's school fees. And she will not tell you, this is the weave I want to buy. They say, now bone straight the rain, oh. Now this goat the rain, oh. If you not buy for me, oh. Not be me saying you not take care of your children and take care of wife together. All your mates, they buy this one for their wife. You first of all drag and look for how you guys are going to pay the children's school fees first. Then when there is extra money, can I buy? Like I was listening to one testimony one day. The woman said, every time my husband is promising me, I want to buy a car for you. Hey, today we say I want to buy a car, something will come up. Tomorrow we say I want to buy a car, something will come up. She say, God, I keep on praying. Then this last time when he say I want to buy a car, I say, God, I was just praying and praying. For me, I never even expected it because this is how he has been promising. Something will come up, something will come up. But the woman never arranged. And really, you don't even know whether the man is trying you. You don't even know whether the man is testing you. Most of us has failed our test as a woman, including me. We have failed our test just because our body is too hot. And no matter how hot your body is, it cannot boil yam or cook beans. It's still there where it dey. Me, I'm not going to interpret that one. If you know, you know. If he come this house today, I go break his head. I go do this. You know they solve any problem. That was what I said before. It doesn't solve any problem. So why not just keep calm? Sometimes you don't know that these men, they are trying you. Most of us has failed our test. I don't know whether most of you see this viral video that went out. The lady, the man want to propose to the lady. The lady say, no, you didn't propose to me well. So the man arrange. You want to do a proper proposal. He arranged the cousin with a car. He arranged police and everything. The police was his far cousin, which the girl don't even know. He make them to come. The man was an officer. He just said, please take one of your colleagues. I want to surprise my wife and those things. He bought a car and said, come, I have a surprise for you. And the man was holding ring to kneel down and give her the car and the ring as a proposal. So the police just came before he said this car. So that when he said this car, maybe after the police has finished talking and everything, then he will not kneel down. The process of the police angry. Hey, this car is a stolen car. Hey, I don't know who owns the car. But I just bought it. I don't know you. I don't even know the car. I don't know anything that concerns you. Seriously. The man, they was like dragging the man to their vehicle to like arrest him. Baby, you say you don't know me. Say, God forbid, I don't know you. Who is your baby? And the man turned back and come down and say, see, I wanted to propose to you. This policeman is my cousin. So if this were reality, this is how you'd have denied me and the car. The car that you denied me that you don't know me, you don't expect me to give you the car now. You don't know me. You don't know anything that concerned me, so you cannot have my ring or my car. You never know if this man is testing you. Some of you will say, which kind of expensive joke be that? Which kind of expensive test be that? May I call use my head tossing and me get? You should have waited. The police, they know who steal a car. If there is a gunshot in where everybody are, they must surely look for the thumbprint of the person that shot that gun. Whether you deny or whether you don't deny, the police must do their investigation and they must surely look for the person, the thumbprint. Whether it is double thumbprint, they must first see the thumbprint first. For the person that shot the gun. We fast forward more than our destiny or our upliftment or greatness, as I will say. Most of us, we throw away the good things that God gives to us. Compatible. How will you know? A woman that you come and say, ah, baby, there is one land that I see, but this money now is the money we are supposed to use to pay children's school fees or buy her something or pay for rent or this. I don't know if I buy this land now, there will be no money to pay, and maybe landlord will come after us or this children's school. Ah, darling, I have a little money that I save. Oh. Maybe I cannot pay both the rent and the school fees, but I can pay one, and we can beg for the dollar. But this land, don't let this opportunity pass you by. Oh. Because if this opportunity pass you by now, we don't know whether we'll see a better one or a cheap one like this. Let me give you the money first. Whether the man now return it or not, That is how you will know a woman that is compatible for you. No matter how much you drop, there must surely be food at home. Whether it is ordinary corn, pap, akamu, beans. You give me 1,000. What am I going to use it to do? There's 2 cups of beans. When you boil it, you buy garri. We can eat for that day and wait for tomorrow. I don't want to suffer. Yes, my dear. Let me tell you one story. Let me first of all say this. I don't want to suffer. You don't want to suffer. So who do you want to suffer and you to come and enjoy? They know they forbid. If another person suffer, me can't enjoy. Why you not go tell them, say they not go still forbid? When you suffer, finish, more another person still can't enjoy. You go agree. You go agree. Suffer before pleasure. Not be so Bible talker. He said, give, and it shall be given unto you. Shaking together, press, go read and just now. May I not fast forward. You don't want to give. You don't want to put your interest. You don't want to put your strength. You don't want to put anything. You just want to come enjoy. You see the reason why all these Yahoo boys, if they use most of our guests? Because they are greedy. I see one girl with a kid throw away, get boyfriend with the boyfriend, they suffer. The boy even they one bedroom flat, not even saying a one room. The boy they married because of iPhone. You lost your life. Because of iPhone. Okay, now he say you give man your virginity because of iPhone 6. When iPhone 13 don't come out, now what do you want to give the man? Your vandalization. Because of iPhone 6, you give a man your virginity. Or you give a man your body. Now when there is iPhone 13, so what are you going to give to that man? Or what are you going to give to another man? You use them for iPhone 6, you use them for iPhone 7, you use them for iPhone 8, you use them for iPhone 9, you use them for iPhone 10, iPhone 11, iPhone 12, 13. When 14 come out, so tell me of what use. See, let me tell you, whether you take it or not, I know you are going to come for me, no problem. Women, if you see any woman that any man not doing this, you know you are lazy. You are lazy. Number one, if you don't have the money to buy iPhone, you must not have iPhone. If they call you now, the phone, not the ring, say iPhone, the other one, Samsung, Huawei, Nokia. Does it ring like that? It is how iPhone will ring. That is how your own will ring. It is how you will pick hello. That is how the other one will pick hello. So, open eye. That they make most of us. You leave a man, a woman say, it's iPhone that is raining. Any woman that is after what is raining, my brother, is not a compatible match for you. Ah, baby, oh, this iPhone is so beautiful. I wanted to get it for you. Honey, that is not our problem now. We have a project. When there is money, we'll surely buy. This cloth is what is raining. And you know you can pay your children's school fees. Honey, let's pay the children's school fees first. When we have enough, we can buy. I can buy less one. It doesn't really matter. As I wear this cloth, I know they talk say na boutique, na benda select. Does it make noise? No. The only thing is that provided it fits you. Whether it doesn't even fit you, so far you have clothes. Provided you have clothes. So any woman that is always after now some I made they don't who you they dress for, not be the same husband when want give you the money, or the same boyfriend don't want give you. You are deceiving me. You are deceiving me. You are deceiving me. You go meet the one will not deceive you now. Put iPhone for your hand now. He said I collect your womb. He collect your destiny. He collect your life. He collect everything valuable. Of what use a dog has to the owner when it is dead? What shall it profit you when you gain the whole world and lose your soul? What? What shall it profit you? You gain the whole world and now your soul is gone. Because why? I want trend like my mates. We see this, I don't want to mention them. We see this, the big brother Nigeria will just come out now. I want to do it to everybody they do. It can't go wrong. Because you did it in purpose. If it was a mistake, God would have pardoned you. You did it purposely. Did it purposely. Purposely. You did it purposely. What do you expect? What do you expect? We have, because of all these things, we have lost our dignity as a woman. A man that is not up to. Let me not deviate. So, brother, how will you know? If a woman, they say you are sick, the only thing is for her to give herself to save you. It doesn't worth it. A woman that truly loves you, you know that God will save you. It's not my virginity that will save you. God must surely bring somebody that will bring the money. I've seen so many people When they want to save their loved one, they say, because of this, I did it. Because of their mother, they did it. Have you not seen so many in drama, even in real life? Before they sleep with the person and come back, their mother has died. Of what use? So when the person does not survive, what now happen? If the person not die, we call. See, if God say you are going to die, there is no human being on earth that can use their hand, their substance, their money, their anything to save you, unless your day have not come. Money kills some people, yes. Some lack of fun, yes. But if you know God, that is why we are doing comparison. If you know the right thing, let me tell you, money is not everything. He said the root of money is good, though. He said money answers all things. But the root of that money, the root of money is all evil, 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 evil. Any woman that is coming to your house, I need this. Now this one you want. Now that one you want. Let me tell you men another thing. You see some women, you just know them for the first time. You say, I want your chop and dry. I want to buy something by the roadside. You not go inside this market. This house, I know they branch there today. Now there you go sleep when they dark today. You see some girls. Maybe you are going to a restaurant and you are a boy that is managing. Just because she fishes too much. Most of us women, we have trouble. In fact, I'm not exempted. We have lost because we look after either the fine ones, the handsome ones, the rich ones, the one that we think they have future, because now you be God where they see future. Because you just see today, say bright, and you feel say now so they be, they go. And because you say somebody they door today, when they want break, now the dark pass. Because you see somebody does not have today, you just think, this one, no. You never can tell what tomorrow will be. You don't know the child. They are all growing up. No, this one, you select when you are not God. This one is the best. This one will just see me through when I'm old. When old age come, I don't want to go be the picking, but I say not get time at all. We look at this parable of the father and the two sons. When he sent the first one, say, go to so and so place. And he say, I'm not going. He said the second one, say, I'm going. The one that says he's going did not go. The one that says not going was the one that went. Na neru na gboma ma we na tie bona. Na we no jo no re. O ma jore, ama we na we ojo every day. The one that everybody say if you go, you will not come back. The one that they even pray for that when you go, you will come back. He did not go and come back. Not talk of the one everybody say you are not even coming back. So any woman that is after material things, my brother, is not a compatible match. It's not a match. It doesn't care whether you have a house. You want to rent in Banana Island instead of you building in Ikorodu or Yanakpaja when it will be your own. But rather that money that you used to build house, he wants you to use it to rent a duplex in Banana Island. Hey, run, borrow leg, run for your dear life. Run for your dear life. A woman that know that this thing you cannot afford it, we will manage. We will try. Now your mates, they do one. Husband cannot afford a house. The money your husband will use to rent house in Banana Island, he can use it to get a house and start building in Ikorodu, Yanakpaja, Ikeja, any other places. No. You want to be in Banana Island because you want to be among the Lagos biggest. Tell me, sister, who they don't give award for the biggest guest so far? I never see that they give award. Did they give award for biggest guest so far? Eh? You want to put your leg where you want to wear the shoe that is not your size. Brother, those are not the compatible woman for you. A compatible woman will tell you, let's stay in these 2 rooms and build our own. We must not pay for flats. Flat is good. We must not pay for the one that is above our capacity just because we want to live to standard. When you know you can afford a hoodie, your wife will say all the money you have, you go and buy SUV. Buy SUV in rent. You've not built your house. You'll be driving SUV all over the place. When at the end, you come and park, landlord will be talking to you anyhow. That is not a wife, oh. It's not compatible. A woman that is compatible will tell you, darling, instead of you to buy this one, let's buy a small car and start building. When we finish building our house, we can buy a better car. Don't invest this money in buying car. Let's invest it in land. This land is here today, honey. Can we buy it? Tomorrow the value might go up. She will plan with you. Even if you are not telling her. A compatible woman for you. I'm not going to opportune me for this one, but now the truth. Because there is nothing you can do. A woman will say, my husband will not marry another wife. Yes, so it's a woman that will say it, but it's a man that accomplish those missions. It's a man that know whether the thing will be yes or no. You can say it as a woman. When you notice as a woman, you notice your husband is doing something wrong. You gather all the family. What? Is the family that is going to change or is your husband? He doesn't listen to me because you never talked. All your own is shout. That is why he doesn't listen. If you talk, he will listen. I'm not trying to say it's good for them to flirt all those things. There are some ways we let our blessings go. If Abigail did not fight, okay, let's read. Maybe it's time for us to read it in the Bible. Let's first of all read Job 22 verse 29. When others are saying there is a casting down, we will be saying there is a lifting up. I don't know if you get me. When others are saying there is a casting down, we will be saying there is a lifting up. He said the power of life and death is in our tongue. Whatsoever you say shall be decreed, shall be established. When you say it's not good, it will not be good for you. When you say it's good, it can be good. Okay, now let's look at 1 Samuel 25. And let's see what happened there. Abigail married whom the Bible described as the most foolish man. Foolish man in the Bible. But Abigail married to him, and it could be able to save the full family's life by taking all the substance that the husband did not take. By gathering all the money. Before I read this story, do you know that a woman one day was gathering money? The husband will give her money for market. He will keep small, buy something. And peradventure they fall into trouble. Or the husband find a land and could not get money to pay it. The woman say, I have money. The man say, where did you get money? Say, the money you have been giving me, I'll be saving small. Tell me whether tomorrow, if that man want to give a woman money to go to market, if they give her 1,000 before, saving her 2,000 because they save her. Do you know that some men, they give their wife money to save? Because before a man could give you money to save, he know you are a good saver. Some men, their husband, some women, their husband did not give them money. Because why? Only not verse. I know how much I use when you just complain. So, you go buy with one. You go buy material things. You go, now buy. Nobody is arguing with you, should not buy. But at least have a budget and say, this is my budget every month. Maybe peradventure some month, something come up. And the budget excludes. You know that this month, okay, once in 3 months or once in 4 months, it happen like that. Not every month. You go dey borrow, you go dey minus. No. Try. That make you see so much. When I say my husband no dey give money, go dey give another person. Why he go give you when if he give you, no go see half of it? Why he go give you when say if he give you, wetin dey say me use and do, not be you go do. Imagine man go give you money, make you take dey build house as a woman. For the house wey go be our own, you go dey dupe your husband. Brother, it's not a compatible wife. Oh. Any woman where you dey want plan future for, he go dey collect. Maybe you dey give your wife money to the build house, or you give your wife money to do factory or something, or you want open business for her. Instead of 100,000, he go tell you send her 400,000. That is not a compatible wife. It's not at all. Let's look at it. Verse 18 said, then Abigail made haste and took 200 loaves of bread, 2 skeins of wine, 5 sheep had already dressed for such a roasted grain, 100 crocks of creams, and 200 cakes of fingers, and loading them on the donkey. And she said to her servant, Go on before me. See, I am coming after you. But she did not tell her husband. If you look at that story, I don't want us to start from the beginning. The husband asks, I said this before, the husband asks Naboth for a favor. Naboth said, he sorted. David said, I'm coming to destroy your full family. Just one of the servants run and go and tell Abigail. Abigail did not go say, the pack go my power master, you can't know. What about your children's inheritance? What about all you've worked for? David will destroy it. But she ran on behalf of her husband. She never stinged. She never said, no, I want to gather this one and keep. Those one that you gather, where you take every day, the little you gather, you don't add to it. It's not going to finish. But rather, she sacrificed. Do you know what happened? After the husband died, David was like, he go like that near their door, they wait, when the man go die. Immediately the man died. David married her as her third wife. Go and look at history in the Bible. Abigail. David married her quickly. Say, this is not the woman that will live to live. Have you seen some woman? Your husband died or they beg you, say, not come out for this family. Not come out. We don't want to leave you. Why? 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 Then, before your husband even died, they'll say, oh, ja. After 1 week, they pack your load as they see you so. They're going to see you for road, they're not going near you. Why? Why? Brother, wife material. Wife material. It matters a lot. Wife material. Let's look at Revelation 4 verse 1. 4 verse 1. It says, after these things I look and behold a door standing open in heaven, and the first voice which I heard was like a thunderous a trumpet, speaking with me, saying, come up here, and I will show you things which must take place after this. After all these things, after she have suffered, after she have nourished her husband, after she have done all these things, what happened? A door was open. A door of goodness was open. A door of prosperity was open. You see some women, when their husband will abandon them, or they will one thing or the other, or the family neglect them. When your heart is clean, you see doors begin to open. Doors begin to open. He say, weeping may endure for a night, but joy, you see this joy, so must surely come in the morning. Joy must surely come in the morning. It must surely come. So most of us, we be women. You think you are doing the man. 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 A woman build a house. Make her husband let her pack into it. Every year she keep on increasing the house. And she will be telling the husband, we are not leaving this house. We are not leaving this house. We are not leaving this house. Until one day when she was coming. When the man was coming, never knew the woman was the owner of the house. And he saw everything. You don't want your husband to grow. You don't want your husband to grow. You don't want him to grow. I will end this video here, my brothers and my sisters. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I wish you a nice weekend. That is, we're almost in the weekend. Today is Thursday, so I wish you nice. See you back again on Sunday. Bye. Love you. Bye.